How to change Google Play Store country. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel, The Solution Guy. In today's video I will simply guide you on how you can change the country in Google Play Store, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. So basically there are two ways to change the country. One way is by you being in that specific country yourself and then adding a payment method of that country. So to do that, let's say you shifted from US to UK, right, and then you want to change the region to UK. Then you want to make sure you have at least one payment method in the UK and you want to add that payment method to your Play Store. So to do that, first tap on the profile icon from the top right and then go to payments and subscriptions, go to payment methods, try to add a payment method that is accepted in that specific country. Now the other is, let's say that if you want to actually download the apps that are not available in your region on Google Play Store, right? So basically sometimes when you search for Cash App, which is only available in US, and you want to download for other regions, it could be that you want to change the Play Store country. So to do that, first of all, what you want to do is simply download a VPN. So when downloading a VPN, I want you to keep one thing in mind. If you're actually connecting to US, you want to download a VPN that is dedicated to that specific US server. You don't want to download a multi-VPN such as TouchVPN, Tomato VPN. You don't want to download those type of VPNs because what that does is that they simply say they're connecting to one region, but in the same case, they try to connect you to other regions. And when you go to check your IP address, it simply shows some other reason. So what you want to do is, if I'm downloading a US VPN, I just type in US VPN in the Play Store. And then I want to download any of the applications over here that is actually available for my country. Then once I download the app, just go ahead and open it and then just connect it to a USS server. And in that case, when you actually go ahead and connect to a USS server, and then when you come back and then reload your Play Store, you will find the applications that are not available in your region, though it may take a while to process. So hope this video helped you as to how you can change your Google Play Store country. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next video.